In this video, we'll load a photographic grayscale image and do some processing on it. Okay, so File, New 2-dimension, right-click on the black box there, Load Image. Now, we want a bitmap, so we select bitmap, and we're going to load up Barb. And now right click, view large size, so there's a nice image of Barb. And now we'll do a power spectrum on that. View, graph style, log. And you can't see a whole lot. The value at 0, 0 is huge. 1370.80.74. So we'll process this image. It's graph number 2. So our processing function, we're going to use G2 and then G2 less than, what was it now? 13,780 should do it. And we plot, graph style, log. There. Now we can see a lot more detail in the spectrogram, because basically what we've done is pretty much just knock out that central value there, which is the square of the average of all the values, the square of the overall brightness of the image. So it's huge, and we eliminated it, and now we can see a lot more detail. Notice these islands here, like here and here, and then some here, and they're all positioned symmetrically, and we saw in a previous video that they have something to do with the diagonal lines on the image. Let's look back at Barb. If I zoom in on a region here, like there, the islands that are in the power spectrum there have something to do with the diagonal stripes in her pants. Another interesting feature is notice the vertical line here and the horizontal line there. That's due to, if you think of the Barb image as a diffraction grating through which distant starlight is shining, this is sort of like what you would see the image of a star shining through a diffraction grating. And in the field of Fourier optics, that's made rigorous. That is exactly correct. The power spectrum is precisely the image you get from diffraction of starlight through a diffraction grating. In this case, the diffraction grating is the full Barb image here. Okay, so there are some examples of example of computing a power spectrum and enhancing it to see more detail. Thank you for watching.